sharing a dream come true.
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Thing is, I don't want to. Yes.
Why not read a little bit?
Half of America has marched across this carpet and you're rolling on it?
I hear this new CO they sent over from HQ is a real featherweight.
He's probably some desk jockey. Never been up in a brain in his life.
All right, you pitiful submitted taxers, front and listen up. I'm your commanding officer, General Knowledge, and it's my job to turn you mealy-mouthed meatheads into a crack squadron of Cranium Commandos. Your job, if you can cut it, will be to run the most sophisticated information system ever devised, the human brain. You, there in the back, suck in that gun and wipe that smile off your face. The brain is serious business. Now listen up, you miserable toads. This is your brain. You will eat with it, sleep with it. You will never leave it. Without you, the brain is nothing. Without your brain, you are nothing. It took 3 billion years of research and development to make this lean, main thinking machine what it is today. In those years, we've had some successes and some failures. And if you meatballs can't fly right, you'll wind up piloting one of these. Do I make myself clear? Yes, sir. I can't hear you. Yes, sir. Better. Our brain is divided into two halves, the right and the left.
Excuse me, sorry.
You!
Me, sir?
No, your mama! Yes, you! Get up here on the double! Move it! What's your name, recruit?
Buzzy, sir.
You think you're ready to pilot a brain, Fuzzy?
That's Buzzy, sir. Oh, yes, you just let me
Quiet! Do you know that the brain can process up to 3 million bytes of information per second?
Why, you, sir?
I don't think you've got the special on a dim bulb, freaky! I don't think you understand the amount of concentration and commitment it takes to run this lovely unit. Just look at you! You're a disgrace! Does your mother still dress you, boy?
Oh, yes, sir.
Don't talk when I'm shouting! Drop and give me 20!
Sir! Yes, sir!
Where was I? Oh, yes. The brain is divided into two halves. Your left brain handles the linear thinking, analysis, logic. The right brain is the creative center, home of the emotions and imagination. On the command seat here in the cortex, you'll run the whole shebang. Any questions? No? Good. All right, you chickens, this is it. Let's scramble on the double. Move it. No, I know that. What now, Scotty? Taking a nap? Get your fanny in gear and hot up.
Sir! Yes, sir! Little women and little men!
Think you let foot. If you moved any slower, you'd be going backwards. Putting you in a chicken is cruelty to animals. I'm gonna stick you in a squid, a lumpy, a talk show host. Now get in line. Move it, move it, move it. 2, 1. You do a climate show. Listen up. Cito.
Sir!
You do a rocket scientist. Ha! Cito, if your brains were dynamite, you couldn't blow your nose. Take off.
Sir, thank you, sir!
Trousdale, can you walk and chew gum at the same time? Never tried, sir! I'd like to know how HQ picked you for this job, Trousdale, with a dartboard. That's your NFL All-Pro running back over there. Now get out of my sight. Sir, thank you, sir!
General Knowledge, sir? You didn't give me an assignment yet, sir.
Oh, no, this has got to be a sick joke. So, Goldbrick, you want to pilot a brain, huh?
Yes, sir!
Hello! Hey! Well, some genius at HQ has picked you to pilot the most unstable craft in the fleet.
You don't mean...
You guessed it, Stinky. An adolescent boy. This particular model is 12 years old. Very unpredictable.
Don't worry, sir. I can Don't worry, sir. I can handle it.
You couldn't find your head with both hands and a flashlight. Sweet. Yonder, where do they get these knuckleheads? And why do they always wind up in my outfit?
Roger, 12-year-old, all clear for takeoff until the 19er tango. Over here, over.
Hey, you gold bricks, this ain't a spectator sport. Where do you think you are? Disney World? Get your strollers in line and hustle! On the double! Move it, move it, move it! Walk swiftly, do not run! Moving! Let's try not to look like a bunch of tourists. This isn't rocket science, people. That's better. Good. Now you've got it. And we've made the Cranium Commandos out of you yet. This training exercise will require your utmost attention and concentration. Therefore, distractions must be kept to a minimum. Understood? There will be no flash photography or videotaping. And